True beauty and lasting health come from inner balance. There are 3 body types that we must know. When the body and mind lose that harmony, it shows. For the ectomorphs or Vata body type, the energy of air and space, imbalance may appear as dry skin, bloating, irregular digestion, or cold hands and feet. Emotionally, it can feel like anxiety, restlessness, overthinking, and sleepless nights. For the mesomorphs or Pitta body type, the elements of fire and water, imbalance brings heat and intensity. Physically, it may show as acne, inflammation, or migraines. Emotionally, as irritability, anger, and frustration, often heightened by caffeine, stress, or spicy foods. For the endomorphs or Kapha body type, the earth and water elements, imbalance feels heavy. Sluggishness, water retention, and weight gain in the body, and emotionally, lethargy, sadness, and low motivation. Imbalance reveals itself through both physical and emotional symptoms, but balance can be restored. Forever Flourish brings you personalized holistic care, essential oils, skincare, and wellness rituals designed to restore harmony naturally. Because when you nurture your unique body type, you bring balance back to your health, and glow back to your beauty. Forever Flourish, inner balance, outer glow.